Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers using ingredients from your own garden. First, let's talk about what to grow. You'll want to select key vegetables like juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and flavorful onions. Don't forget herbs such as basil or oregano to add a special touch. Make sure your garden has rich soil and plenty of sunlight for the best results. Planning your planting ensures a fresh harvest when you're ready to cook. Once your garden bounty is ready, it's time to harvest. Pick your tomatoes, lettuce, and onions when they are at their peak ripeness for maximum flavor. Carefully wash all your fresh produce under cool water to ensure it's clean. Then, thinly slice your tomatoes and onions and tear the lettuce into pieces perfect for a burger. Finely chop any herbs you've grown, preparing them for the next step. Now for the heart of the burger, the patty. If you're making a veggie burger, combine your finely chopped garden vegetables with a suitable protein base. For meat burgers, incorporate your fresh herbs and spices directly into the ground meat. Add a binder, such as breadcrumbs or an egg, to help everything hold together. Mix thoroughly but gently, then shape your patties to your desired size, typically about 1/2 inch thick. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Cook your patties on the grill or in a pan until they reach your preferred doneness. Lightly toast your burger buns for that perfect texture. Then, layer your cooked patty with the crisp lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and flavorful onion from your garden. Add your favorite condiments and there you have it. A delicious, homemade burger, truly from your garden to your plate. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.